In this video, I'll show you the easiest method to send large video files through Gmail on your phone using Google Drive. No third-party apps needed. Open the Google Drive app on your phone and tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Select Upload, then choose Photos and Videos or Browsed. Find your large video file and tap it, then tap Upload to start uploading. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom. Once uploaded, find your video in Google Drive and tap the three dots next to it. Select Share from the menu, then tap the three dots and click Manage Access to make sure the sharing setting is set to anyone with the link can view. This is crucial for the recipient to access your video without permission request. Tap Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. Now open Gmail and compose a new email. Paste the Google Drive link into your email body and add a message explaining what the video is about. Send your email as normal. The recipient will receive a clickable link that opens the video directly in their browser or Google Drive app. They can view it instantly or download it to their device if needed. This Google Drive method is by far the easiest way to send large videos through Gmail on mobile. No file compression, no quality loss, and it works every time.